Hey little makers, have you ever wondered why sharks don't sink? Well, today in this experiment you will find out. These are the materials you are going to need. A black marker, balloons, 2, a funnel, measuring cup, oil, and a big tub with water. Let's get started. So first you're going to put about a 1/4 cup of water inside of one balloon. So you need to make sure that there's no air in here or else it will mess up the experiment. So suck it up. Make sure to not get water in your mouth. Now put it aside and we're going to do the oil. So sharks have oily livers which takes up 30% of their body. This allows them to float without sinking. Now you can draw faces on the balloon. Let's drop these sharks and see what happens. So if a shark was 3,000 pounds, 1,000 pounds of that would be oil, causing the shark to float. And oil is less dense than water, which means that oil will always float in the water.
Keep track of your science experiments in your very own portfolio in the Artebula app. Download it today from the Google Play Store or the App Store.